Hi friends, welcome to Arun Aryabhatta Academy. In this video, we are going to solve 10 problems of NTSC exam. This question paper is the year 2017. So I have taken 10 questions in this video, and in next videos we are going to solve the questions that is in MAT and SAT as well. So first question, it's given a sequence, we have to find the next term of the sequence. So the sequence has 4, 5, 16, 24, 64, 124, 256, and they are asking this term. So when you see the sequence, the odd places, the number which are in odd places in the sequence follow some certain principle, certain relation, and the even places in this sequence follow a different relation. So when we see 4 square is equal to 16 and 4 cube is equal to 64 and 4 power 4 is 256, and in this even places 5 square minus 1 is 24, 5 cube minus 1 is 124, so 5 power 4 minus 1 is the answer. So it's nothing, 5 power 4 is 625, 625 minus 1 is 624, 624 is the answer. And then for the second question, 0, 2, 3, 5, 8, 10, 15, 17, 24, 26 and the next term. So when we see the same principle for the first, the odd places follow a certain principle and the even places follow certain principle. The odd places follow when we take 0, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, and 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, and 15 plus 9 is equal to 24, 24 plus 11 is equal to 35. When you see this, they are adding up with odd numbers, and for the even places it's the same principle, adding up the all odd numbers, like 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, 10 plus 7 equal to 17, 17 plus 9 is equal to 26. That's all. So the answer for this question is 35, because 24 plus 7 is 35. So next question is AK, LB, CM, ND, EO and the missing term, and GQ or H. They have told us to find the missing term. So when we write the alphabet like A, B, C, D, E, F, J up to Z, when we see this A, and where is K, and when you underline B and L, C, M, D, N, E, O, G, Q and H, or you can see that A, K, B, that is L, B and C, M. The odd places of the sequence follow a certain rule and the even place follow a certain rule. When we see the odd place, the first letter comes first, and when we see in the even place, the second letter comes first, that is the after letter comes first, like B. L comes after B, but it comes first in this case. So for the even places it is like this. So the missing letter is F, P. So when we see A, B, that is A, K, L, B, C, M, N, D, E, O, then it must be P, F, because it is in the even place. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is even, so it is in even place. So the option is 3, P, F. So next question, during a sunshine day at 6 p.m., two friends A and B were talking to each other face to face, that means opposite to each other. If B's shadow was exactly to A's left side, then the direction of A facing is north, south, east, west, etc. Okay, I first draw the directions north, south, west and east. At 6 p.m. the sun must be in the east, so I drawn, this is the sun. Okay, the sun is in the east, so the shadow will be in the this direction, okay, opposite direction of this light source. So shadow must be here. And when we say this person is A and this person is B, the shadow of B is left side to this A. This is the right side to this person, okay, and this is left side. So B shadow is the left side to A. So A must be facing southwards. So the option is 2, south. You should this question, like this question, you should imagine you itself as the person A and think of like that, okay. And fifth question, if multiplication means addition, division means subtraction, subtraction means multiplication, and addition means division, then 12 minus 8 plus 16 divided by 4 into 7. So is option are given, and by replacing the signs we get 12 into 8 divided by 16 minus 4 plus 7. According to BODMAS, we are first doing division and then multiplication and then addition and then subtraction. Finally we get the answer 9. Answer is option 1, that is 9. So sixth question, 5 boys A, B, C, D and E took a part in a race. D finishes before E but behind C. B finished before A but behind E. The student who came last is, okay, from this we know that D finished before E but behind C. So D is behind C but before E, okay. So I have drawn E. I have written D here and C in the front and E in the behind the D. B is finished before A but behind E. B is behind E but before E. So finally we get this. This one will be the first, this one will be the second, this one will be the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth. So the last one is A. The person A is the last, so the option is 4, that is A. So and then seventh question, in the alphabet series A to Z, the letter 7th to the left of 17th letter from the right end is they are asking this. So when we see the right end, the 17th letter from the right, what is the 17th letter from the right? J is the 17th letter from the right. So they are telling that the letter 7th to the left of 17th. So the left of this letter, so the left of this letter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7th letter for this 17th letter from the right is C. So option 4, that is C. These are very easy questions. First of all, you should understand the question. You should separate the question into parts and then try to solve this question. We should not confuse this all things. We should understand the English first and then we should choose the options. And for NTSC examinations, they will give the mother tongue of our subject, our language also in the right side. You can also read that also and you can understand the question and answer in this question. So the mirror image of banker is, they are asking like that. So I have drawn the mirror, and you know the property of light. So according to the property of light, the mirror image will be banker like this. So the option is 1. These are very simple questions. First you should visualize this banker as mirror. We kept a mirror to the side of banker and imagine like that. You can answer it very easily. And then the water image of jackal is, when we see water is on the ground, so it's below this letter, okay. When we kept a mirror like this, the water must be like below. So I have kept water is also a mirror when we kept like this. So this is a mirror and this is the water. It behaves as mirror in this case. So according to the light principle, it will be like this. So the option is 4, this one. And the water image of this object, that is this drawing, the same thing for this. So when we draw this image, we get option 3 to be correct. I have not written the option for drawing the 4 diagrams, so I have just written the correct one. Okay friends, in next video we will see with another 10 problems. It will be more useful to NTSC students. You can easily clear this exam when you practice the problems of previous year itself. Okay friends, thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.